Today we are going to look at rounding numbers to the nearest 10 and to the nearest 100. As we recall, rounding to the nearest 10 means we change the number to numbers like 10, 20, 30 and so on. Rounding to the nearest 100 means we change the number to numbers like 100, 200, 300 and so on. Let's look at the first example. Round 857 to the nearest 10. Look at the number line. We can see that 857 sits between 850 and 860. Since 57 is closer to 60, we round it up to 60. So, 857 rounded to the nearest 10 is 860. Let's look at the second example. Round 4,563 to the nearest 100. We can see that 4,563 sits between 4,500 and 4,600. Since 563 is closer to 600, we round it up to 600. So, 4,563 rounded to the nearest 100 is 4,600. Now it's your turn.